In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix OnlyFans media not loading, browser cache, DNS, and VPN and network fix. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. You have to ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled. Test the connection stability by loading other website. If the connection is slow, you can restart the router. Consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data for a better performance. Fix to refresh the page. First, for that, you just have to tap on the refresh or reload on your browser to reload the page. This action can resolve temporary loading glitches on both computer and phone browser. Fix 3. Clear cache and cookies browser. For that, you have to click on three dots of your Chrome browser and click on that and click on settings, and here you have to click on privacy and security. Then click on delete browsing data, and here you have to select all this box and then select all. Then you just have to click on delete data. Once that is done, you just have to reload the OnlyFans page. Fix 4. Try a different browser or incognito or private mode. Use a different web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Open OnlyFans in incognito or private mode. Ensure no extensions are loaded during this session. Fix 5. Disable browser extension. Click on the three dots and click on settings, and here you have to scroll down and click on extension, and here you just have to disable all the extension and refresh the web page to apply the changes. Fix 6. Update your browser or app. An outdated app or browser may not support OnlyFans media feature. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Update the OnlyFans app through the App Store if you using the app. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.